speaker is Omar Latif from the Communist Party of Canada.
Brothers and sisters, fellow countrymen, friends, comrades, I didn't know I was going to speak, so let me try and utter a few words. Here, obviously, it is our contention, it is our belief that while Canada has provided us a very good home in terms of what we had, the opportunities that we had in Pakistan, yet it is an unfair and an unjust society, that there is this vast difference between the rich and the poor, that there is the big difference between the exploited and those who exploit us. We believe here also that there is national oppression, and the biggest national oppression is against the native peoples, the Aboriginal peoples of this country. And we also stand for a federalism, which is a new federalism between English Canada, between French Canada, and between Native or First Nations Canada. On Pakistan, Humaira won't remember this. She's a year or two younger than me. I was more a friend of her older friends and her older sister. And I just want to tell you how backward I was, though I was born in Pakistan. She won't remember this. One day at the Karachi University, at that time, a very close friend of mine, later on he became my brother-in-law, he had some dispute or something in Dadu, or a village near Dadu with some sort of a man. I knew, perchance, Zahid Makhnoon. So I asked Zahid, if we go into the interior, will you guarantee us safety? कि कोई मारे वाले नहीं है। तो जाहिद ने मखदूम ने कर दिया साहब। I was telling him in Karachi University that tomorrow I am traveling to Sindh. I still remember Humaira. He said, "Yeah, you are standing in Sindh. What are you talking about?" And so I tell you that, like, you know, I was born in Karachi, I was born in Sindh, and to this day I am very embarrassed that we didn't play a role that we should have played as progressives in fighting for justice. Later on, we did. National rights are an absolute, unconditional right for the people of Pakistan. Pakistan is a multinational country, and we support that. We absolutely support here the linguistic rights of all the nations and the rights to exploit their own resources. In the Committee of Progressive Pakistani Canadians, somebody was said, Zafar or somebody said,